Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another brand new video. So guys, we have a travel vlog for today's video. So para sa aming journey. So guys, pasingod to sa Amo Bayay. So as you can see na okay, so as you can see guys na ang fun guys, pero travel. So nakita mo na guys na kapit na dire pista sa Sigabong, and gusto ni kapit na guys sa May 5. So guys showing some vlog. So as you can see guys, may nanan eskwelahan. So Darren Bayay guys, as you can see, paliko na ta, and yeah, so more to guys. This is gonna be all the video, and yeah, so